Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we see about how to add the consecutive elements in the array. For example, consider this example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The output should be in 140, 120, 90, 50, 0. How means when 10, it should be add the consecutive other elements 20, 30, 40, 50. 20 plus 30, 50, 90, 90 plus 50, 140. Then when it's come to 20, it should add the remaining elements 30, 40, 70, 70, 50, 120. Likewise, it goes on 30, 40, 50, 90. 40 means 50. For 50, there is no element. It should print 0. First, we have to declare import java.util.star in order to get scanner package. Then we get input from user. We should declare an array by int arr equal to new int of mentioning its size inum. We get the input from user ar of I equal to sc dot nextin. So it should get input from user like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After that, we call a function by size and the array as parameters. After that, after passing as parameter, we should iterate an array. We use two loops here. For I equal to 0, I less than that size I plus plus. For I j equal to I plus 1, I less than I num j plus plus. For first iteration, it goes 10. 10 here. Then 10 comes to j loop. J equal to I plus 1. I 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, j equal to 1. For 1, it's print sum plus equal to arr of j. J here is 1. Arr of j what? 0. Array index always start with 0 position. So arr of 1 is 20. Now, 20. 20 will be stored in sum. After check the condition, now j is equal to 2. 2 less than 5, condition true. So let's go to sum. Now arr of 2 means 0, 1, 2. It's 30. Already in sum there is 20. 20 plus 30. It's 250. After that, j equal to 3. Condition true. Arr of 3 what? 0, 1, 2, 3. It's 40. So 40 added to sum. Then j equal to 4. 4 less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 50. Now sum equal to 140. 140 140 gets stored in arr of I. I is 0. Arr of 0 is 10. 10 gets replaced by 140. After that, let's go to for loop. Now I equal to 1. I less than 5. So it reinitialized sum variable to 0. Now sum is equal to 0. The same process as I tell previous will continue. Now j equal to I plus 1 means I is 1, j equal to 2. So j equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 30 will come. Now in sum 30 gets added. For next iteration 40 added, next 50 added, and the sum 120 will add on arr of 2. Likewise, the for loop get executed. After iterating each elements, we have to print the array. For that, we use another for loop I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So each iteration, it will print the value stored in array. I running this program. We have to declare first array size. Then we have to give the elements. Yeah, the output will get printed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.